Would you like to strike the ball more consistent? I'm going to give you a simple drill that's going to allow you to work on both your backswing and your downswing, okay? So the first thing to do is set up normal in your setup, okay? And what I want you to do is just pull the right foot back. And by pulling the right foot back, what's going to allow that for you to do in the backswing is when you take your backswing, you can see how my hips are allowed to turn, and that's called the hip depth. And when the hips can turn, then my shoulders can turn, and then when my shoulders can turn, I'm going to be able to stay right on plane, and what we get is the hand depth and our hip depth. That allows you to come back down from the inside much easier without having to do any kind of rerouting. What happens is when you get your foot back in your normal position, sometimes you could take your backswing and just pick up the club and get too steep, which then you have to find out some way to redrop, which is okay, but takes a lot of timing and is very difficult to be very consistent with. So to learn how to get some depth as well as learning how to come back down, just pull your right foot back and go ahead and hit golf balls. Now, one thing that you'll feel is when you come back down through the hitting area, how this, because this right foot is back, how the hips can't spin out. And the reason for that is because the hips actually slow down and decelerate so that the speed can get transmitted back into your arms and hands as you release the club. And sometimes when we overspin the hips, that never allows the hands to release, and for better golfers, they'll get stuck shallowing too much. For high handicap golfers that spin their hips too much, they'll come over the top. So to learn how to use your hips properly in the golf swing, both going back and coming through, just go ahead and get set up, pull your right foot back, and go ahead and hit some golf balls doing that. One thing you notice when I come through also is how my foot is back like Scottie Scheffler when he pulls it back. So you'll also see bowlers, when they're throwing it, they're pulling it back. You'll see hockey players when they're doing that. And that's because they're transmitting all of their energy back into the arms and hands and not spinning out or never getting even into the golf ball, okay? So a simple drill that you can do right now, and anytime your swing is off track, just go back to this drill, and I promise you, your swing will get back right on track. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because every week I'll be putting out a new video so that you can try them out on the golf course or the driving range. Also, if you want more information, check out my website at www.joeparkgolf.com, where you can find all my contact information. Thanks for watching.